we are going to be making cheeseburgers in paradise.
Sounds super good to me.
All right, let's get started. So really, this is inspired by Cheeseburger in Paradise song, which we broke down all the ingredients. That's right. So, of course, we wanted it to be festive.
Of course.
Because, you know, we're going to paradise to make these burgers. So, first things first, let's get our griddle going.
Let's get it going.
So now let's go ahead and grab our meat. All right, 1 pound of a good grass-fed beef. We're gonna make a nice little seasoning mix. Garlic, salt. Just want some of that flavor. Smoked salt, and then a teaspoon of black pepper.
Sounds yummy.
It is. Gives a good flavor. It's simple, and we're not gonna be mixing eggs and all. We're just gonna let the beef and the seasoning just speak for itself.
Exactly.
Not that there's anything wrong with that type of burger.
And, you know, Jimmy Buffett didn't really go into depth on the seasoning, so we just wanted to keep it simple.
Exactly. So we got our little spice seasoning mix, salt, pepper, and garlic salt. And we're not gonna be mixing, we're just gonna be putting it on the top, just to make it nice. So grab us a little sheet pan, and look, this is 1 pound. So we're gonna be dividing it into thirds, because we like a 1/3 pound burger.
We like a healthy sized patty.
Yeah, but we don't, a 1/2 pound is way too big. So we kind of figured 1/3 pound is really the way to go. So we're just gonna form these into nice little patties. Oops.
Oh, don't drop it.
And then the thing, once we do, we'll season, and we'll throw it in the fridge, let them chill, and then we'll cut up our veggies and whatnot. Next, we're just gonna season. Be liberal, it's fine. All right. Those guys are nice and seasoned, so we're gonna take them, throw them in the fridge, and let them cool down.
Got some tomatoes, some lettuce.
And I got an onion right here. So all we're gonna do is cut them up. Woohoo! Make some slices.
Yes.
Beautiful. Typically, you would let your burgers chill for 15-20 minutes, but for this, it was cold meat already. We didn't really overwork the meat, so we don't really have to worry about that.
Exactly.
So get the patties and get them on the old griddle.
All right.
All right. We got a little timer. Hit 3 minutes and let it do its thing.
It's just waiting time now. Alrighty, guys. Time to flip the burgers.
A lot of people may think it says mustard, but according to our research, it said Munster. So,
It definitely does. We did read the script.
so for these burgers, I like to put 2 pieces of cheese on each because, well, who doesn't like cheese? And it's a cheeseburger, like that. So you have a nice little... All right, we got our buns down. So all we gotta do is wait, let our cheese melt, buns get nice and toasty, and then it's burger time.
That's my kind of time.
Take your burger, I like to put them on sheet pan, and yes, I did change the foil. I like to give the meat a little rest, so we'll just top it, keep it warm, and I'll let the cheese melt a little more while we build out our burgers. But first things first, I need to get our Hienz 57 and a little mayo. Now, Mr. Buffett doesn't say mayonnaise, but we're just gonna put a little bit of mayo down on our bottom bun. Yummy. Take your green leaf, put it down, and it will protect your bottom bun from that juicy burger. Then we take our Hienz 57, healthy helping, do a nice little rub, and yeah, I mean it is a steak sauce, and these are basically hamburger steaks. All right, take some onion down. If I have a large enough tomato, which I prefer, 1 tomato. Just gives it a better bite. You don't have tomatoes sliding off and trying to fight each other.
It really does make for a much better bite.
So, we've let these guys rest. One of our patties, throw it down. We'll cover these up, because this burger's for you.
Into the camera.
Boom, just like that. We got our nice little fun festive plate.
That is an awesome plate.
And almost forgot two things. Some French fries.
Yes, can't forget the French fries.
I mean, it's French fried potatoes. And we just did those in an air fryer, and they're just a bagged product. Pretty good so far. We're just trying out some different bagged products.
Surprisingly.
And although we don't have a tap, so it's not a draft beer, but we're gonna have a beer anyway. That is your cheeseburger in paradise.
And let us tell you, we are in paradise.
That's right, and we're about to enjoy this. Cheeseburger in paradise.
Cheers.
Wow, that is good.
Yes, it is.
I tell you what,
Wow.
for a simple, easy burger, you cannot beat that.
This
And
is, you can't go wrong with this burger, dude.
loss of words. Have paper towels because it is juicy.
It's pretty juicy.
And that steak sauce. Oh yeah, it's a juicy burger. And that's what you want. No one wants a dry burger.
No.
That's not a cheeseburger in paradise. That's a cheeseburger in paradise.
Yeah, can't forget this.
Nothing better, and after each couple bites, then take a bite of that kosher dill.
Well,
Just everything works great together.
dude,
So,
man, and these French fries are the perfect little French fries.
yeah, they're really good. We'll
Yeah.
finish the round of the different ones we're trying out. We'll send you our recommendation, which ones we really like. So guys, well, a toast to Mr. Buffett for coming up with a great burger, and we hope you guys will give it a try, and you can go on our website, outdoortestkitchen.org, and this recipe is on there.
Yes,
So
it
guys,
is.
enjoy. Until next time, keep cooking and keep camping.
Yeah. Or, yeah.
Nope, that one said, I'm done.
Nope.
Hey! How's it going? Awkward crickets. Yeah, that's a third. So,
Hey, quit playing with your balls, man.
I got 3 balls.
Whoa, wait, what? Hienz 57. Never would have, honestly, I never would have tried it. But I'm glad I did, because it's really good on a burger.
Oh, yes. Now,